Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing the blades and positioning the shears so the tips point down. This gives control and prevents accidental cuts. Slide the lower ring onto your thumb and let the inner edge contact the base of that thumb. This stabilizes torque. Then fold the remaining rings into your palm so the shears sit flush. Keep a 1/2 to 1 centimeter of space at the thumb hinge so the pivot moves freely. Once set, your hand should feel balanced and ready to operate without overgripping. Next, position your index finger either on the shank or just outside the top ring to guide angles. This prevents swinging. Slide your middle finger through the top ring and use it as the main driver for opening and closing. This gives you finesse when snipping. Tuck your pinky into the finger rest or along the shank to anchor the shears. That little anchor reduces wrist strain. Once done, make small test opens to tune tension and feel the shears move smoothly before cutting hair. To finish, refine the tension screw. Tighten until blades close cleanly without binding and loosen if they stick. This preserves edge life and control. Make sure your wrist stays neutral and you rotate the forearm for longer motions. That reduces fatigue and keeps cuts even. If you feel snagging or roughness, stop and inspect blade alignment and lubrication. Often a quick clean and oil solves it. If problems persist, have the shears professionally serviced to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.